Part 6. Mounting the origin marker. The origin marker is integral in the control of the operator's end of travel limits. To mount the marker, first close the gate completely. Fit the marker onto the rack at least 500 mm from the origin sensor. Note the orientation of the marker. The marker bolts directly onto the RAS rack. If you're using steel rack, mount the marker using the steel bracket provided in the kit. The bracket must be first welded to the rack and then the marker bolted to the bracket. Now open the gate until the marker is in line with the sensor and adjust the clearance between them to between 13 mm and 20 mm. It's always recommended to set the marker as close to 13 mm as possible. File away the lip on the RAS rack if this prevents you from moving the marker closer. The bracket provided for steel rack has slotted holes for easy adjustment. Now you're ready to begin the setup procedure.